we're going to look at discount sales. In this video, we're just going to look at 50% sales. Okay, so 50% is also known as half. Okay, if we have 50% of a cake, you've only got half of your cake. Okay, and previously we have learned about converting percentages into fractions and decimals. For this video and for this calculation, we're going to need to remember back to when we learnt about converting between percentages to decimals. So we're going to look at 50%, and 50% as a decimal, okay, is 0.5. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to use that for our first calculation. 50% off $10. Now you've probably seen that in the store when you've ever been to the shops. So we're going to go 0.5 times 10. Okay, we can leave off the 0.00 for now because there are no cents involved. Okay, so then we do it like our normal multiplication. 5 times 0, 5 times 1, 0 times 0, and 0 times 0. We add our decimal in. There's one decimal place in the beginning. So we've got 5. Now it is important to know here that what we have just found is the discount. That is the amount of money that we are saving. Okay, so it's how much we are saving. It is not the new price yet. Okay, so now we're going to start another calculation where we take our original price, which was $10, and we're going to subtract the discounted amount. Now once again, we need to line up our columns, okay, so that our decimals and all our unit placements are in line. Okay, that will help our calculation. So 0 takes 0, 0 takes 0, decimal, and we're going to need to carry 10 take 5 is 5. Now we have found the new price. So this is now the price you would actually pay for the item. Okay. All right, let's look at the second calculation. So once again, we're going to convert our percentage to the decimal form and times it by 40 this time. Okay. We're going to do our multiplication. 0 times 5, 4 times 5. Put our 0 down. 0 times 0, 0 times 4. We're going to add these together. We're going to add our decimal. There's 1 in the question, so we're going to have 1 in the answer. And you can see that we have now once again found the discount. Okay. We're going to do our next calculation. $40, which is our original price. Take away the discount amount of $20. 0 takes 0, 0 takes 0, decimal. 0 takes 0, 4 take 2. And now we have found our new price. And that is how we work out the discount of a sale for 50%. We're going to try one that's a little harder. So we're going to extend ourselves. Decimal format times 75. We're going to write it in our multiplication format. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 7 is 35 plus 2. And a 0. 0 times 5 is 0. 0 times 7 is 0. Add it together. Okay, We have one decimal place in the question, one decimal place in the answer. We have found our discount. We now take our original price of $75 and subtract our discount amount, $37.50. Okay, because remember, if there's no decimal, if there's only one decimal, 5, we can put the 0 in. Okay, and then it turns into the money form. You would see that in the shops. 0 takes 0. We need to carry to grab enough units. 10 take 5. Once again, 14 take 7, and 6 take 3. Now we have found our new price. Now in all of these you have probably noticed that the discount amount and our new price have been the same. Okay, and this is because we're doing 50%, and we know that 50% is half, so the two sides are going to be equal. So if this circle represents the full $75, we're going to have $37.50 on each side. It won't be like that for all your discount percentages, but in the 50% it will be. Okay, but we still show our full working out even when we're doing 50%. So just to recap, when you're doing discount sales of 50%, you convert the percentage to a decimal form. We multiply the decimal by the original price to find the discount amount, and then we minus the discount from the original price to find the new price. And we've got our formula there. Original price take discount equals new price. And that is how you find out the discount sales of 50%.